Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can modify your LEGO Bad Batch and turn them into their Season 2 counterparts. Our first minifigure we have is Hunter. Now the first thing I did was I added the belt from Peli Motto, I then decided to add the scarf from this elf, and then finally I added the hair from this CMF minifigure. Our next minifigure is Wrecker, and I have only made improvements to the torso on this minifigure. Speaking of which, that comes from the Batman vs Superman Batman minifigure. Also, to get a bit of yellow in there, I decided to add the arms from the Book of Boba Fett minifigure. Next up, we have the Echo minifigure. Now, the first thing I did was I added the camera from the 212th Airborne Trooper. I then decided to add a white arm and a brown hand, and then moving up the figure I decided to add the pauldron from the Mortar Trooper. The only change that I decided to make to tech was add the belt from Peli Motto. Everything else I thought was fine as it was. The last minifigure we have here is the Crosshair minifigure, and the only change I've made to this is I have built him a backpack. And you'll be able to find the tutorial where I make that backpack on the end screen of this video. With that said, thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it useful. I am testing out a new microphone, which is why I may sound a bit worse than usual, but I'm going to make it work, I assure you that. If you want to stay for more tutorials, feel free to subscribe and maybe like this video so it can get out to more people. And as promised, here is the link to that Crosshair backpack tutorial.